If you're looking to start a YouTube channel, but don't know where to start or how to show how much watch time your videos get, this article will guide you through the various aspects of YouTube and explain exactly what you should do to improve your channel's viewership. Although there are many variables such as video length, upload time, channel views, and so on, we've created a step-by-step process that helps people get started and grow their channels while also improving their watch time on our platforms. In this guide, we'll cover everything from managing traffic to optimizing for different viewing device types. We understand that building an audience online isn't always easy, but with these simple steps anyone can make it happen in no time. In order to build any kind of successful channel or YouTube business, you need to gain some traction first. This is where the most important part of starting a YouTube channel comes into play: getting eyeballs on your content. By gaining some viewers and having a strong social media presence, chances are they will follow you back onto the platform if you post great content consistently. The best way to do this is by using high-quality content, which means creating and uploading high-quality videos with eye-catching titles. However, it doesn't just stop there either. You need to be constantly publishing new content, and not just posting old videos. For example, use Reels and highlight your favorite moments within each of those videos. Also, consider creating educational content like guides, tutorials, and more. Lastly, remember to share your posts across all of your profiles and channels so that everyone can see them. Not only does uploading high-quality content help to increase your chance at growing your audience, but also ensures that you keep up with trends. Now that we've covered some key factors in increasing your YouTube views, let's talk about YouTube features specifically related to viewing. Here are some points to note when talking about YouTube optimization. View duration analysis. When discussing your target demographic, the biggest factor affecting your success in attracting potential viewers is ensuring a long watching experience for them. Fortunately, Google has come forward with tools, programs, and techniques to automatically assess the viewing duration. Some examples include auto-leveling YouTube thumbnails, auto-adjusting thumbnail sizes for larger screens, customizing playback speeds, adjusting sound settings to suit your audience's comfort levels, etc. SEO optimization. One of the main reasons why YouTube is becoming increasingly popular and engaging with its users is because of SEO. Google wants websites to rank high in search results, so it gives away rewards for free based upon rankings in Google searches. So naturally, YouTube creators want to optimize their YouTube videos accordingly so that more people find their work interesting rather than boring. Many YouTube videos have been known to go viral due to keywords used in their title and descriptions. So, before you publish a video, ensure that you take the time to optimize it properly. Think keyword research before filming, then wait for the click and watch. Thumbnail and title quality. Thumbnails and titles alone won't help you in the grand scheme of things. Make sure you choose your words and images carefully so that customers/viewers are able to recognize your brand and not just one of the random videos out there. Don't forget to add call to action, emojis, and other relevant text to your thumbnails. Once people start clicking on YouTube videos, they are very likely to engage in another activity, like signing up for your email list or purchasing an item from your store. Thus, make every effort to create compelling thumbnails and titles that attract viewers. Not only that, but offer value to end users. Always aim to provide a solution to viewers. Video length adjustment. People often overlook the fact that too short or too long a video may not be enough to drive engagement for viewers. Even though video length can matter when choosing video format, not all videos are created equal. Consider a shorter version if you are attempting to build trust with your audience, or try to use longer versions to capture the attention of potential fans. It doesn't mean you should shoot every 5 minutes to 100 seconds, but it does mean that you must consider the nature of your video. And if you're shooting multiple angles or moving around as needed to give viewers the full view, do yourself a favor and try cutting off parts, but don't overdo it. Remember, less is more when it comes to editing videos. Focus on visual elements to enhance the video, like audio, transitions, timing, music, visuals, and more. If we've managed to answer all your questions correctly, now it's time to move on to the next point. YouTube video uploading speed limitations.